We got a call here. We've been waiting for this one all night.
Yep.
We're going to go to Waynesboro. Happy to talk to our friends in Waynesboro. Talk to Kelvin. Kelvin, good evening. What can we help you with?
Hey, Kelvin.
Good evening, gentlemen. I was in a car wreck about 3 years ago, and it was a fender bender that I got. More than a fender bender. My head smashed against the windshield. I was stopped at a red light. I got hit from behind. A Wagoneer hit me from behind. I was in a Nissan Altima. My head smashed against the windshield, and I actually lost an eye. Is there any type of legal action that I could take 3 years after?
Ooh, Calvin, I think I'm going to turn it over to Matt. I don't know if we have great news.
Yeah, I hate to say, sounds unlikely. The general statute of limitations in Mississippi is 3 years for a simple negligence case. Sometimes it's shorter. It can be as short as 1 year if it is, unfortunately, a government vehicle, a county vehicle. If, for example, however, there were minors in the vehicle,
okay,
it may extend it. There's a Mississippi savings statute. So my short answer is, and I hate to say I don't have great news, you're probably too late. However, call Monday. Let's dig into the details. Let me look at all the different angles, and maybe we're able to, come up with something creative. But 3 years from the date of the accident is the general statute of limitations in a car wreck in Mississippi.
Ryan, it sounds like a pretty serious accident. I mean, that's a major rear-ending collision right there.
Yeah. First of all, I'm sorry to hear that you lost an eye.
I know,
Calvin. I mean, it sounds outrageously painful.
That's right.
But yeah, what you need to do is contact an attorney as soon as you can on Monday morning and speak with an attorney about your rights and how to protect them.
Ryan, let's say this. Let's say Calvin here is just rounding up to 3 years, and we're at 2 years and 10 months. He's vaguely saying it's been 3 years. He still can move on this. I mean, late to the game, but he can still move on this if that's the case.
Absolutely. His rights are not prejudiced at all. If he files a lawsuit, you can go all the way up to the end of the 3 year statute of limitations.
To the last day.
Right.
To the last day of the 3 years. I got you.
We would tell him to get in his car from Waynesboro and head south is what we'd tell him.
And a lot of fine attorneys in Waynesboro, I'm sure, as well. But we're glad you called in tonight. Matt, something he needs to take very seriously. If he is rounding up the 3 years,
absolutely,
he needs to get on this quickly.
No, we do, and we talked about this in the show. But yeah, absolutely. Please call Monday. Maybe there's a day or two left, a week or two. Who knows? Let's get into the details. Ryan can make a quick analysis Monday. I can do it. There are plenty of other lawyers can, but for heaven's sakes, let's not wait another day. Monday morning, please get somebody on the phone and let's find out what we're dealing with here.
Calvin, thank you so much for the call tonight. Really do appreciate the call all the way from our friends in Waynesboro. Hope to hear from you next weekend, and definitely talk to the guys. All right.